Adding custom CSS on Squarespace is actually very easy, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now you can add custom CSS on Squarespace using three primary methods. This depends on whether you want the change to affect your entire website, so the entirety of the website, or you'd prefer the CSS to affect a single page in your website. So these are the pages in my website. So the CSS file could either be to affect one page, or within the page in your website you'd like the CSS to affect just one block, so just this side of the website. Now I'll be showing you how to do all of that. So let's start from the website itself. Now on the website level, if you want the CSS to affect everything on the website, you're gonna come to on the website you're gonna come to pages. Now here it's very important that you don't choose any page. So we come back to home, we go to website, we go to pages. Now without choosing any page, we're gonna come down and we're gonna come to custom code, and we're gonna click on custom code. Now what we want to do is, for every paragraph that's on all the pages on our website, we want to change the color to pink. Now you realize once I do this, this is going to preview how it's going to look like, and once you see on our about page we have this text changing to pink, and on our contact page we have this paragraph also changing to pink. So this affects all the text, all the paragraphs for the whole website. This is where you change the global CSS if you wanna change to affect all the text. Else, if you want the change to affect the CSS change to affect just one page, what we can do is we're gonna cancel this. We're gonna go back to pages. Now we're gonna choose the specific page. Now right next to the specific page, we see the settings sign, and we click on the settings. Now here we're gonna come to advanced. Under advanced, this is where we're gonna change. So we want just the paragraph for the about page to change to pink. Once we click on save and we come back, the page is going to reload. Now you realize just the paragraph for this page has changed to pink. Now let's undo the change. Now the third way of changing is to change just a particular block on the page. So just the text, and we're going to click on edit at the top, find this block. Now in this section where the text is, we're going to add a block, and in the block what we want to add is a code. Once we add a code, the code that we want to add to this block is a CSS code. So we're going to come here to this edit button, we're going to click it. Now we're going to turn this off, we're going to toggle this off, display source code, toggle it off. Once we toggle it off, you realize every text for this block has been turned to pink. Don't forget to click on save to always have your changes effected. Now that's how you add custom CSS on Squarespace. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.